What is up YouTube? I'm back once again with another DIY Tesla power update video. Now as you guys can see, I've got some solar panels in and a grid tied inverter along with a couple of switches for the roof and whatnot. They had a listing on Facebook for 8 lots of solar panels, so I got this 8 for roughly $200. So they're Suntech 190 watt 48-ish volts nominal solar panels. They put out like 5 amps each. I'll probably put an annotation on the screen. They're good panels. These are basically the same. These are a bit older. These are about 2 years older. Those are 5 years. These are 7. They're basically the same panel. They are branded differently, but the dimensions and everything are exactly the same. These ones here are like they're perfect condition. The connectors on them and everything. This one here has some weird kind of MC4 connectors. They're like miniature ones, so I have some new connectors I'm going to put onto those and basically, make it so it all connects up with the other panels. And I've also got those other 8 panels that you've seen, those outside. So those are working right now. Next video I'm going to be showing you guys how much amps I draw in from the panels and how much goes into the batteries. But that's still for another video. But I've got a total of 24 panels now, which is really good. It's better than what I had. I used to have one 220 watt panel, so the price I paid, I'm definitely quite happy with what I have. These ones here still need to be clean. I'm going to do that. I'm also going to replace the connectors. I'm going to do a video on that and replacing the MC4 connectors, so stay tuned for that. But with the inverter, as I've said, I got the inverter, those switches, also some racking as well for $200, which is it was $300, but the guy gave it to me for $200, so possibly might be watching this video. So thank you again for giving me a great deal. They're better than these ones, and I got them a lot cheaper. These ones I got for $275. They didn't come with rack and they didn't come with anything, which is still a good deal because the other ones I paid $500 for 8 and they're the same panel. So either way, I'm happy. I saved a lot of money getting them used, obviously. So now it's pretty much just getting them mounted. Plans on putting them over a water tank and possibly on the shed roof, which is on top of this. As of now, we're not too sure how we're going to do it. We want to put them on the house, but with legalities and insurance voiding and stuff, we kind of don't really want to do that as of yet. We're also thinking about setting something up on the ground. I'll show you guys probably in the next couple of updates my solar array. It's pretty janky right now. It hasn't got the proper connectors, so once I get those properly connected up, I'll do a video on that. Other than that, nothing's really changed. I've got all the infrastructure, whatever you want to call it now, so now I've just got to kind of get it all put together now. I'm planning on getting my other battery pack set up so I can obviously store more power. I've got a lot more panels now to work with. A bit more on this inverter. It's a grow watt PV grid inverter, so it's not a battery operated one. I've been searching up how to get these to work on battery, but they synchronize with the grid and they need a constant output of AC from the grid, so I don't know, it keeps it a pure sine wave or something. But this thing's pretty much useless to me, so if anyone knows what I can do with it, please leave it in the comments. But as of now, I'm probably just going to put it on Facebook and see what I get for it, leave it open for offers. But it's a nice unit. I got it for free, so they got connectors on them, the MC4 connectors, one AC output, and then a couple of fuses. So pretty heavy unit. It's 4.2 kilowatt. We were thinking of doing some kind of hybrid system with this during the day and then my batteries at night with the smaller 2 kilowatt inverter, but kind of want to keep it all to batteries. That was kind of the whole point of this project, is having everything run on batteries. So I'm pretty much just going to sell that for a really discounted price. If you guys do know any kind of hacks you can get these to work on normal DC 48 volt power, then please leave that in the comments. Other than that, I'll quickly just show you the connectors as well. This isn't really any structure to the video like any of my videos, but they've got some weird, I don't know what connector. If anyone knows what connector this is, please leave that in the comment. But yeah, they are Suntech panels, both of them. Those are the specs: 5.2 amps, 36.6 volts, 45 volts at peak. But yeah, these are 36 volt panels, not 48. I run them in series with 4 in parallel. But other than that, these are pretty good panels for the price. I'm pretty happy about that. Today it's just a bit of a quick update. Why I haven't been doing too much, I've been pretty much working. Schoolwork's come to an end now, so I've got more time to do this. Driving around, messaging people, trying to get these panels for a good price, haggling them down, trying to find the best deal and whatnot. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy, please give it a like and subscribe for more DIY Tesla power update videos. Soon, pretty much in the next day, I'll be doing a parts list video where I'll show you what parts I've used, my new solar charge controller, which I haven't actually shown you guys yet, and yeah, just like a bit more of a rundown of the system. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. Obviously, please give a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.